Alright fellas, today I got a mail call and I'm going to pose a question to the viewers about something very, very important. Something I hold dear to my heart now. It is GS Novato from the West Coast. He just offers a letter of thanks for helping him out on his giveaway. He's got one going on now. By the time this video gets edited and thrown in, it might be over. But it's hashtag GS Novato. I did a previous video on it and leave a card in the corner. He's giving away some snap-on pliers. It's a 3-piece set and they are killer. I mean, come on, snap-on pliers. All I gotta do is make a little video. Easy. There's his magnet. He did a limited number run of these and I went ahead and got in and snatched me one up. So now I gotta make sure I have a place for this, because wood and magnet doesn't work right now. Can you see that? That'll work for right now. I may end up getting something else to put down, plexiglass top or something like that, that I can, you know, throw magnets down here and not have to worry about them not sticking, and not have to worry about them. See, old Chaos Garage over here, he's gotten beat the hell up. Yeah, Northland's taken a few scrapes, got a few battle scars. Now to the most important question, the Wilton vise. Now personally, I like this brown rust patina that she has on her. She looks good, but you can see under all this, you can tell that she was that nice old Wilton blue. Now I'm already going to take this apart and re-grease it, and I thought about taking the jaws out and cleaning those up, because they're in excellent shape. Matter of fact, the whole vise is in excellent shape. But I've been going back and forth in my head whether or not I should do a full restoration on this guy, paint the whole 9 yards, get rid of all the rust, the corrosion, fresh paint, fresh grease, fresh lease on life. What do you guys think? And of course, obviously, I'm not going to use this one to beat on. I mean, I have beater vices. So what do you think? I'm going to leave a poll in the corner. Click on that little card. You can vote yes, no, maybe so. You know, leave a comment. What color you think would look good on this old Wilton? Yeah, let me know. And as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.